It is finally grilling season and I'm here in my backyard in the Bay Area and I'm gonna make one of my favorite dishes. Grilled ribs, but I'm gonna do them my style, char siu. Let's cook. So you're probably wondering why me, out of all the guys in the world, love this dish called char siu. Well, my wife is actually half Chinese and we love to go out and dine. And my one favorite dish that I always get is char siu. Typically it's done with the pork shoulder or the pork butt, so my version of it is gonna be with baby back ribs instead. My favorite tool, definitely with barbecuing, are the tongs, but my favorite tool to mix spices when I make my marinade are these things right here. Chinese spice, onion powder, garlic powder, and some salt. With some fresh garlic and some fresh ginger that I have right here. I have some chili paste, a little bit of sesame oil, hoisin, honey, a little bit of soy sauce. Char siu is really red, really vibrant. So I'm gonna add a little bit of food coloring there to get that really authentic Chinese style food that I wanna serve at barbecue. Take a little bit out to glaze. If you only have an hour, that's great. 4 hours is kind of the good time where you wanna let them sit and get really delicious. If you can go overnight, even better. These are gonna sit here for an hour and we're gonna go ahead and grill them. Come here, let me show you. You notice how I have on the barbecue here, my dial's around medium, low and slow. I'm gonna get them super tender, great little color. The last minute, I crank up the heat and I get that delicious char. This has been about an hour and a half to 2 hours. I rotate and flip them over a couple times, finish them with that reserved marinade that we have. I'll say so myself, I think these look pretty doggone good. Thanks, buddy. Those look great. This is one sticky job I don't mind, I'll tell you what. I don't know about you guys, but these look char siu, delicious. You ready to eat? You guys wanna do it? What do you guys think?